I saw on top of my mail, there was a letter today to Web second graders. And I thought this must be a letter from Gus. But I looked closely up on the envelope, and it's not from Gus. It's from the Book Fairy. And I thought, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna read this to you. I already read it in my driveway because I was so excited, but I'm gonna read it to you right now. Dear second graders, there's something you need to know about the words in your collections. Those words that you've been finding in books and adding to scrapbooks, those words that you've been sorting and acting out, drawing pictures of and thinking about their meaning, yes, those words. Those words are not meant to live alone, not one little word by himself. Words are not like islands. Oh, I got a picture of an island. There we go. Out in the middle of the ocean, floating alone. Words are supposed to be used together. When a person thinks of one word, other words should pop into their mind, like fireworks. One explosion after another, connecting that word to others in different ways. I'm absolutely positive your teachers can show you what I mean. So let's turn our word collections into word explosions so you can show the whole world what kind of word collectors you really are. Love, the Book Fairy. So, it got me thinking, and I put together a little something to show you what I think the Book Fairy means about our word explosions, because we are word collectors of the world, and we're going to share our words. So I thought of a single word. I thought of the word paradise. I would love to be in paradise right now. So that made me think of other words that are like the word paradise. And I came up with the word utopia and perfect and a good place to be and on cloud 9 and a couple other words to go along with it. And then I thought of words that are not the same as paradise, like garbage dump, awful, terrible, the worst place a person could be, a stinky bathroom. And then, just to keep on collecting more words, where did Casey go? I guess he didn't like the stinky bathroom joke. And then I kept thinking of other things like things about our words. So paradise to me is a puppy, chocolate chip cookies, scratch and sniff stickers, a fluffy pillow. Those to me are paradise. And then I thought of places that are like a paradise to me. Playground, bookshop, a candy store, my grandma's house. Those are all fun places to be that are like a paradise to me, a little escape. So today, I want you to think about ways that you can explode a word. So we're going to think of things that are the same, which are synonyms, things that are opposite, which are antonyms, maybe some places, some things that are related to it, maybe some feelings that you have about exploding one single word. And that is going to be your job. You are going to have your own collection today, and we are going to be sharing it with the class. So you're going to get this Google slideshow, and the whole second grade is going to get it so we can share our word explosions with each other. In your Google slideshow, I included the ways to explode a word to remind you of how to explode a word, but there's going to be a blank one for you to fill out, and it's going to look just like this. So let's fill one out together. I'm going to choose a word, so I'm going to click in the middle here, and immediately a text box is going to come up. I'm going to click after my word. I'm going to press my return button, so I get a nice blank space underneath it, and I'm going to type in my word that I have collected that I want to explode. And the word I collected is delicate. And then I have to go just this way for some, I'm going to go around. Same words. So again, I'm going to click after my word, same words. I'm going to press my return button or my enter button, and it's going to get me a little blinking cursor right there. Say same as delicate. I have fragile. I'm going to press my return or my enter button to get another word. I'm going to go with breakable. If I think of more words, if I spell that wrong, there's no equal sign in breakable. If I think of another word, I'm going to add it in there too. Let's see, I'm going to go down here to things. Things that are delicate. Well, one thing is my phone. That's pretty delicate. I'm going to press enter. The dinner dishes. All right, if I can think of something else, I'll come back again over there. What is the opposite of delicate? Sturdy. Okay, enter durable. Sure. Unbreakable. That's the opposite. I can't think of any more of those right now either. And a place that is delicate. Oh, definitely the glasses aisle at Target. That is like, when I walk down that aisle, my hands are like to my side. Grandma's table. I don't know if your grandma has this, but a grandma's table that has figurines on it, those little breakable porcelain doll-like things that are on it, or vases. So those are some places that are delicate. Can I think of any more? Fragile, breakable, not yet. Maybe I'll come back to it later. I'm also going to add down here, I'm going to click on this box next to my name, and I'm going to put my name, Mrs. Carlson. And then when I'm all done, I'm going to leave my page alone because other people are going to have pages on here too. You're going to notice when you sign in that all along the side here are blank places for people to add their own in. So you're going to go to the next one that's blank and you're going to fill that one out. Don't write over somebody else's. Don't delete them. There's plenty for look how many blank ones I have right now. It's because you guys haven't started it yet. So there's plenty of blank ones here. So you're going to go to the next blank one. So you'll see mine first right here. So don't write on mine. Keep mine as an example. And then you're going to click on the next one that somebody has been written on. Write your name in it, your word, and keep on going so we can all share each other's word collections. I'm so excited to see your explosion today. Good luck, everybody. Let us know if you need our help. We're excited to help you.